what are few essential and critical actions that can advance the circular economy through cities? This is a really critical question. By adopting circular economy policies and practices, cities can catalyze significant change. In this regard, urban planning is fundamental, since the circular economy affects all public policies managed by a city. Whether it's waste treatment, energy, the purchase of materials, the recycling of urban equipment, or building maintenance. Cities are major consumers of resources. Moreover, they cannot ignore the ecosystemic and territorial dimensions of the problems. Every stakeholder, from industry to local public players, can play a role in this circular economy. But there is usually no single player that can act as a link. And this is why cities are taking these positions, but are also including collaborative approaches into their strategies, supported by technology, and aiming to create territorial ecosystems that are active in the circular economy. In this regard, public policy and regional planning are affected. The success of a circular economy approach cannot be achieved without the commitment of local economic partners and the mobilization of all local stakeholders. This is why a renewed urban planning goes hand in hand with a marked effort to mobilize and convert. In this regard, to explore how cities are producing public policies that are related to the circular economy principles, we're going to deep dive two different topics. The first one is energy use, and the second one is waste management. Regarding energy use, we all know that energy systems are vital to urban infrastructures. Energy demand will only increase as urbanization grows, but in the same time, cities worldwide have pledged to move toward cleaner energy sources as part of their COP21 agreement. For example, in Germany, Munich is aiming for 100% supply from renewable sources by 2025 and is compelling its utility companies to source only from renewable sources. Other initiatives include investments in smart grids, which enable more efficient energy distribution and decentralized energy exchange through real-time communication between energy generators, utility companies, and consumers. Our second example is on the topic of waste management. Waste management is a key issue for cities which are committed to circular economy approaches. Indeed, effective waste management maximizes the reuse, the recycling, and the recovery of materials, which are thereby reducing the amount of waste which is transferred to landfill or incineration. By implementing advanced selective collection, sorting, and treatment systems, cities can recover a large proportion of the potential resources present in waste. This helps to save raw materials, to reduce the environmental footprint, and to stimulate the local economy by creating job opportunities in the waste management sector. The use of digital platforms is also profoundly supporting and changing waste management by facilitating the circulation of data, but also setting up intelligent systems which are able to use real-time data, which are supporting, for example, more efficient plans for collection trucks. Additionally, these platforms are fostering communication and collaboration between all the stakeholders in the waste management systems. And they also enable better system management, as it is easier to track, analyze, and facilitate waste management through data-driven decision-making.